What is MDM, Mobile Device Management? Mobile Device Management, MDM, is a technology solution used by organizations to monitor, manage, and secure mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even desktop computers. These devices may be company-owned or personally owned in a BYOD, bring your own device environment. The goal of MDM is to ensure corporate data security while allowing employees to stay productive from any location. How MDM works. MDM solutions work by installing a lightweight agent or profile on the target devices. This agent communicates with central MDM server, either on-premises or cloud-based, to enforce security policies, push configurations, install or block apps, and track device activity. Admins use a central dashboard to manage all enrolled devices remotely. This includes actions like enforcing password rules, setting up VPN or Wi-Fi settings, locating devices via GPS, locking or wiping lost or stolen devices. Key features of MDM. Device enrollment. Devices are registered into the MDM system, either manually through QR codes or automatically via platforms like Apple DEP or Android Zero-Touch Enrollment. Policy enforcement. IT teams can enforce security settings, such as requiring strong passwords, enabling encryption, and preventing camera or Bluetooth usage. App management. Admins can push approved apps to devices, remove unauthorized apps, or restrict access to app stores. Remote control. If a device is lost or stolen, the MDM platform can remotely lock or wipe it to protect sensitive data. Device tracking and inventory. Real-time tracking of device status, health, and location. Useful for asset management and compliance reporting. Compliance and reporting. Helps ensure devices follow industry regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, and others, with built-in reporting features. Benefits of MDM. Improve security. Protects corporate data from breaches and unauthorized access. Remote management. Centralized control over devices, even when they're off-site. Productivity. Enables employees to work securely from anywhere using mobile devices. Cost savings. Reduces hardware costs through BYOD policies while maintaining control. Regulatory compliance. Helps meet legal and industry-specific security requirements. Popular MDM solutions. Microsoft Intune, VMware Workspace ONE, IBM MOS 360, Jamf Pro for Apple devices, Mobile Iron, Cisco Meraki. Final thoughts. As mobile devices continue to dominate the workplace, MDM has become an essential tool for IT departments to secure data, enforce policies, and support remote work. It balances security with flexibility, giving organizations peace of mind while allowing employees to stay connected and productive on the go.